Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you what they said you can do in my city and Wales. My city is a very beautiful place and there are many activities to enjoy. You can go shopping at the mall and buy clothes, food and gifts. Um, you can also eat at restaurants and try different kinds of food, which is great. In my city, people can ski sites is in the park. You can run, walk, or ride a bike. Uh, Families can relax, uh, and children can please and, have fun there. Mm, you can also go to the stadium. Mm, you can play games and take pictures with your friends. However, you can play game it's raining. Um, my favorite, my favorite, uh, uh, my favorite thing to do in my city is going to the parkings, my friends. Uh, we can to listen to music uh, and have a good time together. We don't keep bird because we feel comfort, comfortable, comfortable game with and together. In conclusion, my city is a great place. Please, thank for listening.